second heart, pushing the blood flow from the cup back to the heart can improve heart health. Improve blood circulation, quickly help fat metabolism. Improve ankle strength and stability. 5 minutes a day. Reduce shoulder tension and pain. Improve chest tightness and breathe better. Eighteen turns each side. Good for heart and lung health. Good for breast health. Improve depression and anxiety. Ten to 15 minutes until your back warm. Rub the palm. Improve circulation throughout the body. It is particularly beneficial for reproductive health. One to 2 minutes a day until you feel warm all over. Improve circulation throughout the body. Good sleep. Open blood vessel, lower high blood pressure. 9 times a day your spleen. Headache, sore knees, lower back pain, obstructed urination. Massaging bladder meridian. 5 to 10 minutes a day. Strong kidneys full of energy. Strengthen muscles and ligaments all over your body. Tighten your abdominal muscles and loose belly fat.